Today we'll be exploring the different types of computers and their applications in various fields such as entertainment, education, business, and more. Are you curious to learn more? Then sit back, relax, and get ready to be blown away by the amazing world of computers. An analog computer or analog computer is a type of computer that uses the continuous variation aspect of physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic quantities analog signals to model the problem being solved. Digital computer, any of a class of devices capable of solving problems by processing information in discrete form. It operates on data, including magnitudes, letters, and symbols that are expressed in binary code, using only the two digits 0 and 1. Hybrid computers are computers that exhibit features of analog computers and digital computers. The digital component normally serves as the controller and provides logical and numerical operations, while the analog component often serves as a solver of differential equations and other mathematically complex problems. A mainframe computer, informally called a mainframe or big iron, is a computer used primarily by large organizations for critical applications, like bulk data processing for tasks such as censuses, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise, resource planning, and large-scale transaction processing. Mini computer that was smaller, less expensive, and less powerful than a mainframe or supercomputer, but more expensive and more powerful than a personal computer. Mini computers were used for scientific and engineering computations, business transaction processing, file handling, and database management. A server is a computer or system that provides resources, data, services, or programs to other computers, known as clients, over a network. In theory, whenever computers share resources with client machines, they are considered servers. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance as compared to a general-purpose computer. The performance of a supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second instead of million instructions per second. A microcomputer is a complete computer on a small scale, designed for use by one person at a time. An antiquated term, a microcomputer is now primarily called a personal computer PC, or a device based on a single-chip microprocessor. Common microcomputers include laptops and desktops. A desktop computer, often abbreviated Desktop 1, is a personal Computer designed for regular use at a stationary location on or near a desk as opposed to a portable computer due to its size and power requirements. A laptop, sometimes called a notebook computer by manufacturers, is a battery or AC-powered personal computer, PC smaller than a briefcase. A laptop can be easily transported and used in temporary spaces such as on airplanes, in libraries, temporary offices, and at meetings. A netbook is a small and inexpensive laptop designed primarily as a means of accessing the internet. Netbooks were sold from 2007 until around 2013, when the widespread advent of smartphones and tablets eclipsed their popularity. Personal digital assistant is a term for a small, mobile, handheld device that provides computing and information storage and retrieval capabilities for personal or business use, often for keeping schedules, calendars, and address book information handy. A tablet computer, commonly shortened to tablet, is a mobile device, typically with a mobile operating system and touchscreen, display processing circuitry, and a rechargeable battery in a single, thin, and flat package. A wearable computer is any small, technological device capable of storing and processing data that can be worn on the body. Wearable computers are designed for accessibility and convenience, as well as improvements to workplaces, by making information quickly and readily available to the wearer.